Hi kids, welcome to today's exciting lesson. We're going to learn how to use this and that in sentences. It's easy and fun, so let's get started. We use this when the object is near. Let's see some examples. Look at this cat. This is a cat. Great job. Here's a book. This is a book. Wonderful. Now look at this lion. This is a lion. Fantastic. Finally, see this crow. This is a crow. Excellent. We use that when the object is far away. Let's see some examples. Look at that table in the distance. That is a table. Great. Now look at that box over there. That is a box. Well done. See that tree far away. That is a tree. Fantastic. And look at that peacock in the distance. That is a peacock. Amazing. That's all for today, kids. Now you know how to use this and that to describe objects near and far. Keep practicing with things around you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.